quick video about a boundary layer turbine thing I put together a while back. It's a little unusual. It's made from 1/8 inch acrylic again. Tinted green is just one leftover section I had, to give an idea of what's actually inside of it. And of course cover plates and all that. It was just an idea that grew out of tinkering around with that last Tesla turbine. I was curious if there was a way to simplify fabrication by eliminating the need to bore holes through the disc and all that, so very good of a shot. It does work, but it's actually a dead end because it requires more bearings and more other parts, so you just transfer the complexity somewhere else in the machine. So and I don't think it's nearly as efficient. But it was interesting. Let's see. There's actually about 5 hard disk drive platters inside there. They're spaced in such a way that they intermesh. So I don't know if you can actually see inside of it there, but the air comes in through here, passes over the disc, gets squeezed in there, and then gets squirted out. And there's a couple output holes. I don't know if you can see them with the lighting, but and then it's all open. So in theory, if there's any extra energy and that bypasses the output, it goes back around and gets circulated through again, and then it's basically just dumped. Yeah. One other thing is they are set up some gears so they're connected together. So they turn in unison, otherwise one would have a little less resistance on it and just that one would turn and the other one would essentially be stationary. So again, dead end, but interesting. Let's just fire it up. I don't think we'll quite get 100 psi through there, but we'll just run it and see it, just to demonstrate that it does actually function. A little bit slower RPM, you can hear how the discs are a little too close. That's one of the difficulties, is keeping them from touching, especially if they flex, rub into each other, it creates problems. But one positive thing is they do eliminate torque, so there's no torque going on the motor since it's canceled out. So, yeah, and that's it. Boundary layer turbine.